Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is approximately 2:05. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, and all items stowed until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please make sure you have your personal belongings before you exit the aircraft, and be careful when opening the overhead compartments. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your entire in-flight group, we would like to thank you for flying the friendly skies with us today, and wish you a pleasant journey wherever your travels may take you.